This is lesson 159, and this is letters and sounds, and we have a test today. We only have the one paper for this, and it's a test, so you need to listen very carefully. I'm going to go to the slide that shows our test. This is our test, and it's a little bit the same that we have been doing, and it's a little bit different because we don't usually do this, but we have done this on papers before. I want you to go up here and we're going to practice the special sounds here. Are you ready? Cur in crab, C-R. Gull in glue, G-L. Burr in bride, B-L. Or, I'm sorry, I messed that one up. Burr in bride, B-R. Sometimes I get my tongue in the wrong place. The next one is gur in grin, G-R. Okay, so I'm going to read this. Choose the special sound you hear at the beginning of each word, and then you write it on the blank. So here's the blank, and here's the blank. You're only going to use two of these special sounds. They're not words, they're special sounds. I'm going to say what this is, and you listen carefully and choose the beginning sound for this word, okay? Are you ready? This is a crib. Crib. You pick one of these special sounds that's in crib and write it right there. Do that now. We usually have our shields up right now, but you don't need your shield, your privacy shield, do you? Okay, so we're going to go on to the second one. If you're not ready, just pause the video and go ahead, or you can back it up and have me say it again. Okay, so now we're on the second part, the second picture. This is a glass. Glass. So find the one here that is the beginning sound of glass and write it on the line here. Okay, so let's go down to the next part. I've gotten back a few tests that didn't have all of the parts finished, so I'll be sending those. I'll have to email them to you or something so that you can finish them. But if you could just listen carefully as I read the directions, okay? Here we go. Number 2 says mark the vowels. Okay, so if you have a vowel in it, you need to mark it. You might have to mark all the vowels in this section. Okay, and even if you see, if you circle the special sounds, I always like it when you circle the special sounds that are real special sounds. Don't just guess. But mark the vowels on this. Vowel starts with a V, so remember the part that says V. This is owl. Vowels. So vowels. So make sure you mark all of your vowels here. One vowel, two vowel. Let's go down to the second part, and you can come back and do that. Just follow along with me. This one, number 3, says circle the special sounds. You have sp and you have s. So if you get confused, you go, I don't know which one's which. Sp, special sounds. Okay, so these are very, very, very important that you circle all the special sounds. So you know if it says circle the special sounds, there's one in each word. There might be 2, but be very careful to get at least one in each one of the words, okay? Watch out for the double ones. Okay, let's go down to the bottom. circle the word that completes the sentence. Okay, you have the start of a word, start of a sentence, and then you have this word, and you have this word. Now, if you need to mark the vowels, that's fine, but you need to figure out which one of these here, goes here. And circle one of these. Don't circle any of these. Circle this one or that one. Don't know which one it is yet because you haven't read it. You have to read it first and then circle one of these. Read this one, and one of these goes there. Make sure you get it the right one, because if you put the wrong one on there, it's going to make a silly sentence. So don't guess at it. Read your sentence and finish it with a word, okay? And I will stop this so that if you need to go back to the beginning up here at the top, you may back it up, but that's all we have for our letters and sounds today. So I will go ahead and go back to the start and have a good day. Bye-bye.